by Alia D. Villavesa, a pupil with high honors.
Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat, to our distinguished guest, to our school principal 1, Mrs. Melanie M. Mercado, to our esteemed teachers, proud parents, at higit sa lahat sa mga kapwa ko, graduates. Good day. Today marks a significant milestone in our lives, a moment we've all been eagerly anticipating. It's a day of mixed emotions, excitement for the future, a tinge of nostalgia for the memories we leave behind. And above all, gratitude for the journey that has led us to this point. Today we gather to celebrate a significant milestone in our journey, our moving up ceremony. It's a momentous occasion where we not only look back at the challenges that we conquered, but also look forward to the promising future ahead. As I stand on the threshold of new beginnings, it's essential to reflect on the values that have shaped us and the people who have supported us along the way. Ako po si Alia D. Villavesa, naririto sa harapan ninyo, punong-puno ng pagpapakumbaba at pasasalamat. I want to express my deepest gratitude to those who helped me through my elementary journey. To my fellow graduates, mga kaibigan, kasama ko kayong nagtaguyod sa bawat araw ng ating pag-aaral. Together, we've experienced the highs and lows, the triumphs and challenges. Ang bawat araw na tayo magkakasama ay isa sa pinakamahalagang bahagi ng ating paglalakbay. Sa bawat pagsubok na ating hinarap, kayo ang nagbigay sa akin ng inspirasyon at lakas. Our journey wouldn't be the same without each other's friendship, camaraderie, and support. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagiging bahagi ng ating buhay. Sa ating mga guro, kayo ang aking mga inspirasyon at lakas. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang pagtuturo at paggabay sa amin. You have been our mentors, our guides, and our inspiration. Through your dedication and passion for teaching, you instilled in us the knowledge, skills, and values that will serve as our foundation as we step into the next chapter of our lives. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagmamahal at pag-aaruga sa aming mga isip at puso. Sa ating punong guro, na siyang haligi at susi ng tagumpay ng Tala Elementary School, mabuhay po kayo. At maraming salamat po. To our parents, you are the pillars of strength in our lives. Kayo ang aming mga unang guro, aming tagahanga, at laging nasa likod namin sa bawat hakbang ng aming paglalakbay. Sa inyong walang kapantay na sakripisyo at pagmamahal, kami ay nabigyan ng lakas at determinasyon na harapin ang hamon ng buhay. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta at pagtitiwala sa amin. At sa lahat ng ito, maraming salamat sa Diyos. It's through our God Almighty that we are all here celebrating this milestone. And it is through His guidance that we can achieve our goals. Today, as we move up to the next level of our education, let us carry with us the lessons we've learned, the memories we've shared, and the values we hold dear. Ang ating karanasan sa paaralan ay nagbigay sa atin ng pundasyon ng ating pagkatao. Sa pagtatapos na ito, let us carry with us the lessons we've learned, the friendship we've made, and the memories we've shared. May we always be guided by the values of excellence, integrity, and compassion that our alma mater has instilled in us. May we always uphold the values of excellence, integrity, and compassion as we navigate through life's journey. Sa ating pagtatapos, let us not forget our responsibility as Filipino youth in shaping the future of our nation. Tayo ang mga tagapagmana ng mga pangarap ng ating mga ninuno. It's our duty to contribute to the progress and development of our beloved country. Let us be proactive agent of change, catalyst for innovation, and champions for social justice. As we embark on different paths, let us never lose sight of our roots and our identity as Filipinos. Ang ating kultura, kasaysayan, at pagkakakilanlan ang nagpapalakas sa atin sa anumang hamon ng buhay. Let us celebrate our diversity, embrace our heritage, and work together towards a more inclusive and equitable society. Sa ating mga pangarap na nais tuparin, let us always remember the words of Dr. Jose Rizal. Ang kawataan ang pag-asa ng bayan. Tayo ang magbibigay liwanag sa landas patungo sa isang mas maunlad, makatarungan at mapayapang Pilipinas. Sa ating mga guro, mga magulang, at sa ating mga friends, and even the challenges that have shaped us into who we are today, maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta at pagmamahal. Together, let's continue to strive for excellence, uphold our values, and make a positive difference in our communities. Mabuhay ang kabataang Pilipino, mabuhay Pilipinas. Today is truly a remarkable day to all of us because we had just finished our journey in elementary and a new journey lies ahead of us, which is high school. Once again, I am Alia D. Villabesa. Maraming salamat po at magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat.